Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we're going to break down a real lifestyle conversation between two childhood friends who meet again after many years. You'll learn common phrases, natural expressions, and useful vocabulary that you can use in your own everyday conversations. Stick around until the end. We'll share 9 powerful phrases and tips to help you sound more natural and fluent in English. With today's lesson, you can start mastering the flow of English conversation faster than ever. Now let's get started with the dialogue. You're about to hear a real lifestyle conversation between two childhood friends who haven't seen each other in years.
Jake? Oh my gosh, is that you?
Sarah? Wow! It's been ages.
I can't believe it. You haven't changed a bit.
You either. What's it been, like 10 years?
At least, what are you up to these days?
I'm working in marketing now. Just moved back to town last month.
No way. I live here too. We should totally catch up sometime.
Definitely. Let's grab coffee this week, just like old times.
Sounds perfect. I'm so glad we ran into each other.
Let's go line by line and look at the natural English phrases used in this conversation. 1. Oh my gosh, is that you? Used when you're surprised or excited to see someone you haven't seen in a long time. Similar. Oh wow, no way, I can't believe it. Example. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen you in forever. 2. It's been ages. Informal way to say it's been a very long time. Example. It's been ages since we last spoke. 3. You haven't changed a bit. Means the person looks or acts the same as before. A nice compliment. Example. Wow, you still look the same. You haven't changed a bit. 4. What are you up to these days? Natural way to ask what someone is doing with their life right now. Alternative. What have you been doing lately? Example. Hey, long time no see. What are you up to these days? 5. No way. Shows surprise or disbelief in a fun, friendly way. Example. No way, you live here too. That's crazy. 6. We should totally catch up sometime. Catch up means to talk and update each other on your lives. Example. Let's catch up over lunch next week. 7. Let's grab coffee. Very common phrase. Means, let's meet and have a casual chat. Variations. Let's grab lunch. Let's get together. 8. Just like old times. A warm, nostalgic expression. Means doing something you used to enjoy together. Example. Let's go to that pizza place, just like old times. 9. I'm so glad we ran into each other. Run into, meet someone by accident, not planned. Example. I ran into my old teacher at the store yesterday. Let's talk about how you can sound more fluent when using these expressions. Use contractions. Say I'm instead of I am. Say it's been instead of it has been. Natural. It's been ages. Unnatural. It has been ages. Link your words. I'm so glad becomes I'm so glad. We should catch up becomes we should catch up. Flow together. Match the tone. Use excited intonation when surprised. Oh my gosh, is that you? Let's break down the meaning of these 5 useful phrases and see how they can help you sound more natural in English. Phrase 1. It's been ages. Meaning, this is a casual way to say, it has been a long time. People often use it when they see a friend or family member they haven't talked to or seen in a while. Why it's useful. It's friendly, warm, and sounds very natural. It's much better than just saying, hello, because it shows emotion and connection. Example conversation. When someone say, wow, is that really you? You can say, oh my goodness, it's been ages. Tips. Say it with excitement and a smile. You can stretch the word ages a bit. It's been ages. Practice this. Think of a friend you haven't seen in a long time. Now imagine meeting them again. Say this sentence out loud. It's been ages. How have you been? Phrase 2. What are you up to these days? This means, what are you doing with your life now? Or, how are things going with you recently? Why it's useful. It's a great way to continue the conversation after greeting someone. It shows you're interested in their life, job, hobbies, studies, or family. Example conversation. When someone asks you, tell him what are you up to these days? You can say, I'm working at a tech company and learning photography on weekends. Tips. Use it when you haven't seen someone in a while. You can also say, "What have you been up to lately? How's everything going?" Practice this. Look in the mirror and ask yourself, "What am I up to these days?" Now answer in 1 or 2 sentences. This builds fluency. Phrase 3. We should catch up sometime. This means, let's meet soon and talk more. Catch up means to update each other on what's happening in your lives. Why it's useful. It's a polite, friendly way to suggest meeting again, especially after a surprise meeting. You're not giving a date yet, you're just showing interest. Example conversation. Say this to someone. "Yeah, we should catch up sometime." Tips. Add something like, "Maybe next week? I'll text you." It's often used at the end of a quick or unexpected meeting. Practice this. Say this with feeling. "It was so nice to see you. We should catch up sometime." Then try, "Hey, let's catch up over lunch soon." Phrase 4. Let's grab coffee. Meaning, this is a common way to invite someone to meet for a casual chat, often over coffee, tea, or a light snack. It means, let's meet and talk. Why it's useful. It's simple, modern, and casual. Native speakers use it all the time to reconnect with old friends or even make new ones. Example conversation. Tell someone, "Let's grab coffee this week and catch up." Tips. You can change coffee to anything. Let's grab lunch. Let's grab a drink. Let's grab dinner. Practice this. Invite someone. "Hey, let's grab coffee this weekend. Are you free Saturday?" Make it sound friendly and light. Don't stress about being perfect, just speak. Phrase 5. I'm so glad we ran into each other. Meaning, ran into means met by chance. This phrase shows that you're happy and surprised to see someone unexpectedly. Why it's useful. It adds a warm and natural ending to your conversation, especially if it wasn't planned. It's polite, kind, and makes the other person feel appreciated. Example conversation. You can say, "Yeah, I'm so glad we ran into each other. Take care." Tips. Say it with emotion and sincerity. It's often used at the end of a surprise meeting. Practice this. Think of someone special. Now say, "I'm so glad we ran into each other today." Say it again, smiling. "Seriously, it made my day. I'm so glad we ran into each other." Bonus fluency tips. Use these phrases in your own conversations. Start with short, simple practice. You don't need perfect grammar, just speak. 1. Record yourself. Repeat the 5 phrases. Listen to how you sound and try to improve your rhythm and tone. 2. Use them in role plays. Imagine meeting your friend at the mall. Use all 5 phrases in a short dialogue. So, there you go. 5 powerful and practical English phrases that will help you connect, reconnect, and sound more fluent in real conversations. Don't just read them, use them. Use them with friends. Use them in your English class. Use them while watching movies or practicing role plays. Every phrase you use brings you one step closer to fluency. I'm proud of you. Keep going. And remember, learning English is not just about knowing words. It's about connection, emotion, and real conversation. Thanks for learning with me today. Leave a comment. Which phrase will you use this week? And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more real English with me, Teacher Sam. See you soon.